In this video, I'll show you how to get your PayPal statement and how to find and download your PayPal statement as a PDF. This works for both personal and business PayPal accounts, and the steps are very easy to follow. First, log into your PayPal account and make sure you're on the home page. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Activity. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your PayPal transactions in one place. On the Activity page, you'll be able to view payments sent, payments received, and any other transactions linked to your account. Even if you don't see many transactions right now, this is where your full history will appear once activity is available. Next, click on the Filters option. This is where you can customize your PayPal statement. You can choose preset options like this month, last month, the last 90 days, this year, or last year. If you need a specific time period, you can also select a custom date range. You can further refine your statement by choosing the transaction type and transaction status. Once you've selected everything you need, apply the filters so PayPal can generate the correct report. After applying the filters, look for the Download or Statement option and click on it. PayPal will then prepare a detailed statement based on the date range and filters you selected. Within a few seconds, your PayPal statement will open, and you'll be able to review all the details. From here, you can download the statement as a PDF, or print it directly and save it to your device for records, taxes, or personal use. And that's it. That's exactly how to find, view, and download your PayPal statement quickly and easily.